guys, welcome back here. Hey guys, welcome back here. Kason here. Now I saw this video of this cat killing this guy, so I just really want to make a mix up about it, and I tried like a whole bunch of times, and I just can't get it right. My mom just did it. I did it with the toilet, and you. She said no. So get it. So we're gonna do this one where I kill the cat. Well, this is real life, and I did not make this picture because I'm not a very good drawer anyways. So, anyways, my cat, and so I'm gonna bring, and I'm not really gonna kill my cat because I have a real cat. And I'm gonna use my hands. So, ready? Let's go. Where is my cat? Anyways, let's find the cat. Where is my cat? Here? Cat. No. He's the cutest to come out of nowhere. Okay, so ready. Skip all the way here to the killing part. So ready. Yeah. I'm just doing the video. Don't mess this video up. Don't mess with this. Just mess the video up. I killed my cat. Oh, and we have a great day. Bye. Oh, don't forget to smash that like button. Ring the bell. Ring! And hit notifications. Bye, cat.